Harley-Davidson. Made a quick stop, picked up a t-shirt. Aaron started looking at the weather. Going east where we wanted to, there's severe thunderstorm warnings. We don't want to do that. See that black clouds? No bueno. Cop car. You could turn into a Blues Brother car. See that black? I think we're going to get wet. Now we're coming up on 15-mile-an-hour curves. Hi-ho, Silver. Let's get the hell out of here. Ooh, raindrops. And they ain't small. Okay, the wind is coming, which tells me the front's coming, which means yuck. Oh, another wall cloud. That sucks. I'm hoping we would get out of it. No. Okay, I have no rain suit on. Come on, rain, give us a break. All right. Come on, it's like the sky is like, come on, let up! Wham! I don't know if you can hear it hitting the helmet. Okay. Whoop. Tree branch. Part of the problem is when you start getting into this early rain, it's hard to see the double yellows. So I know some of you are like cringing right now, and that's okay. I am too. And I can't tell you how freaking wet I am right now. Ah! Come on, let up a little bit, rain. I'm gonna have to take my clothes, and we're gonna have to take our clothes to the hotel and wring them out. I mean, oh my gosh, I haven't been this wet in a long time. It's all the adventures of taking a trip on a bike. That's it. And I could feel the water sloshing around in my boot.
After this ride, we were so soaked. Took our clothes a couple days to dry out. I have to say, though, riding in the rain is better than any day of sitting in the office. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ride safe. Remember, life's too short, so let's go ride.